Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check in online with Wizz Air. First, open your preferred browser and go to the official Wizz Air website. From the home page, click on Find Booking at the top right corner. Next, type in your confirmation code and the passenger's last name to retrieve your booking. Once ready, click Start Online Check-in. Choose the passenger you want to check in. You'll then be asked to pick a seat. Either select one yourself or use the random seat option to continue. From here, confirm the weight of your luggage and enter any required personal details. After filling everything out, click Continue. Finally, click on Check-in to complete the process. Your boarding pass will be generated and you're all set for your flight. And that's it. That's how you can check in online with Wizz Air. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.